ball?
Basketball.
Yeah.
Better go find some more eggs.
There's 34 hidden, and I think you've only found about 6. Where are the eggs?
Let's go find them.
Here's one.
Get it.
I get what price is right.
We'll see what's inside later, okay? First, let's get all the eggs. First, let's get all the eggs, right?
Here's one. Here's one, Daddy.
Okay, let's put it in your bucket.
Here's one.
Come here, get
Here's one.
your bucket, Ryan.
Here's one. Hey. Hey, where's that? More bucket. Eggs. Where's my eggs? Here's one. Here's one, Daddy. Here's one. There. Hey,
What do you think that is?
basket.
It's a basket. Who do you think brought that?
It's a bunny.
The Easter Bunny?
Yeah.
Whoa. You think that's for you?
Yeah.
What is it?
String.
It's a drink?
Yeah.
I think it's bubbles.
Oh, bubbles.
Whoa.
Whoa. And that.
Who is that?
Ruby.
It's Ruby
Yeah. And Max.
and Max. Who do you think this one is for?
It's a bunny.
Yeah, the Easter Bunny bought them.
Look. What's it here, Daddy?
Ooh, that's chalk.
Yeah.
We can play hopscotch.
There's cuts.
Yeah.
Wait. Hey, where's that?
That's Carter's basket.
Horse basket.
Yeah.
Hey, take dinosaurs.
Bunnies.
Oh, bunnies. Hey! Hey! Socket!
Whoa.
A strap!
Boy, that Easter Bunny sure is nice.
Where's
Can,
that?
can you say, thank you, Easter Bunny?
Thank you, bunny. Where's the bunny?
Why don't you look in your basket? That's Carter's.
That's Carter's basket. That's his stuff.
Look in your basket, Ryan.
Yeah. Look, it's Ryan's.
Whoa.
And it's Mama's.
Oh, you're going to share with me? Thank you.
Huh? Hey, it's Max. Huh? It's Max.
Whoa, a book?
Another book.
Another book?
It's an X. Where's the place?
Ooh. Is that a sippy?
Yeah.
Is that Ryan's sippy?
Oh, what is doing? Look, it's your mama.
Yeah, those are Mama's favorite, aren't they? Oh, Easter Bunny left you ears?
Yeah,
Maybe you should put them on.
yeah. Hey, David.
Carter's ready. Maybe you should put your ears on.
Hey, Carter. Hi, buddy. Happy Easter. Oh, happy Easter. Hi.
Ryan, I see more eggs.
Hey. Whoa, there's more eggs? What's that? Let's see. Think the Easter Bunny bought that too?
Yeah.
What is it?
Teacup.
It's a teacup?
Trinkets. Have a trinkets.
You gotta pour some in there.
Yeah.
Whoa, that Easter Bunny sure does know what you like. Whoa. Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, Buddy.
Would you like to pour? Tip the pot into the cup, then we'll have some more.
Better taste the tea. How's it taste?
Daddy, except
Daddy make some? Uh-oh, Daddy dropped the tea.
here.
Thank you. Mmm, yummy. Ryan, you try some. Oh.
Mama. Nummy.
Nummy.
And there's cake.
Oh, there's cakes. Boy, that Easter Bunny sure is nice.
Right? I don't have cake.
Ooh, what flavor is that one?
Cake.
Cake, right.
It's a big cake.
Whoa. All right, say bye-bye, Easter Bunny.
Crazy Bunny.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Gonna blow a kiss?